Good day, viewers. Pwalpar here. I thought I'd get on here and do a little bit of a vlog today. Talk about some random subjects. James stopped by for a visit, and he brought me a Christmas present. It's going to be one of them little drones you fly around, and it's kind of ironic that I recently made a video about drones, what drones. So I guess I'm going to be learning how to fly a little miniature drone around. Maybe we can buzz around the front yard and chase some birds or something. Anyway, I've never worked one, but we'll see if we can get it working. Also, a project this year, one of my daughters sent me a birdhouse with a camera built into it, so we'll probably be doing some different kind of bird videos this year. I know I'm going to have to get out there and mount it on the pole and get it set up, so maybe we can do some videos about that. I thought I'd do a little bit of a review on an email I got here from YouTube. Let's see if I can find it. YouTube creators, your year in review. I didn't do real great this year, but I've made some progress. I've been with YouTube quite a while, and I've got 30-something thousand viewers, but I've accumulated them over a period of the last 16 years that I've been with YouTube. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank my viewers for all your loyal support over the years. I got some viewers that are regular viewers and comment on all my videos. I got a lot of viewers that don't comment on any of my videos, and that's perfectly understandable. Some people are just not into getting on the computer and typing anything. I do appreciate each and every one of you that watch my videos, and I appreciate your support. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for putting up with old Pwalpar here on YouTube. This email says 2024. Got a picture of Gene Gnome Pulse and a bunch of little icons on here. Scroll through it. This year I had 406 new subscribers. That don't sound like a whole lot, but that's more than one every day. So I'm growing, my channel is still growing. I had 353,500 views of my videos this year. I've got a lot of videos on YouTube, and many of them are buried back in the library so far they don't never pop up anymore, but they're there if you ever want to search for Pwalpar. Uploads. I uploaded 431 videos this year. I had 10,700 likes of my videos. Answered 2,679 comments this year. And I had 917 shares of my videos with other people. I've got to where I upload I don't upload, I share my videos over to Facebook. I don't get a lot of comments over there, but I have a few viewers over there. And occasionally I'll get a comment on one of those, especially from friends and family. Let's see, top video of the year was the video I made several years ago about the dreaded system off for the dreaded forward system off communication on the computer in the car. Had something to do with a dead battery. 169 hours were watched on that. My top short is listed up here. It was Train 230, I believe, on my Railfan remakes. I've been doing a lot of those Railfan remakes. There's so much more to celebrate. 5 years of YouTube Partner Program. YouTube Partner just means that my videos are monetized, and I'll mention briefly why. I get a little bit of income from videos that commercials that people watch on my videos. Normally, just like everybody else, if I'm in a hurry, I'll just skip this commercial. But it does help me out a little bit when somebody takes the time to watch one of those videos. And if you click on a link anywhere in those commercials, I get a couple pennies out of it. It adds up to maybe a fraction of what my expenses amount to with electricity and the work sitting here producing these videos. The main reason I produce them is just for my enjoyment, and I enjoy communicating with my friends out there. A lot of my regular viewers comment on everything. Anyway, that's enough in that respect. Anybody wants to click on my advertisements on my videos, it'll help me out. That's twice I've heard a noise in this house, and nobody's here but me. Can't imagine what it is. Oh, let's do a little Google search here. When you go on Google, I think it's an ice maker filling up with water. That's probably what it is. Something's making a noise. Where's Google? Here we go. If you take the time to go to Google search, type in there Pwalpar, it'll take you to Pwalpar links. There's plenty of videos you can watch right there. Several pages of them. Let's just see what we got here under Pwalpar Google search. I ain't gonna read that with my blurry eyes. First one on the list is my channel. You can click that and go straight to my channel. There's a video. A rail fan remake. I don't know how Google decides what they're going to put up here, but they give their people, their YouTube partners, some support by suggesting videos for YouTube people to watch, especially if they go in there and do a search. In my case, they might be searching for a rail fan in their trains or birds. I have a playlist on a lot of bird videos. I haven't did in here lately, but since I got the new birdhouse coming, we're going to be doing more of those. I got to get out there and mount that birdhouse and figure out how to work it. It's got a built-in camera. But if you're looking on my channel here, you'll see my various videos, my created playlist. Let's just run through the playlist. Pwalpar video editing clips, trains for rail fans. Those are all trains that I've made over the years. I tried to get them all on one playlist, but they're also listed under Pwalpar blog. I haven't separated them. Trains for rail fans. That's another playlist. Any of these playlists, you can click down here on view the full list. Let's just take trains for rail fans and click view the full list. See, you could sit there, say you were interested in trains, you would have a choice of all my train videos to go through just by going to my channel and clicking on my playlist. And there's a buku of them in there. I don't have time to show them all to you now. Let's do the back arrow. Back to my channel, we were talking about my playlist. Railroad equipment to derail. That's one I made several years ago. I've had 900,000 views on that video. Most of my viewers have probably already watched it. But if you scan through my channel, you might find something of interest. Created playlists. YouTube shorts. I've started making quite a few shorts. I haven't made too many here lately. Let's see how many we got on there. I have 382 short videos. I didn't realize I had accumulated that many. But I got quite a few shorts here. Let's see what kind of view I get amazingly a lot of views on my shorts, and it helps my channel out greatly. What little what little bit of money I make on my YouTube monetization. It's not a lot. I got a couple of viewers that contribute money to me, but I'm not on any program to get people to support my channel with money. What I get here goes to the expense of creating videos and camera equipment and whatever. I've got a lot more tied up in camera equipment and miscellaneous than I make with YouTube. I might make enough to buy a TV dinner or two. It's not near enough to support my channels. It's just a hobby that I have. What I was talking about views, 1,000 views on that one, 534 views on that one. There's one that got 4,400 views, 175 coming through the holler at Jackson. I've got a lot of bird videos on there, 122 views on that one. My bird bath is about all busted up. I'm going to have to buy a new bird bath. As many bird videos as I've made with them taking baths out there, it would behoove me to go buy a new bird bath. My cement broke on that other one. It still works out there, but it doesn't stand up very level. The Beast got 1,900 views. I ain't got time to go through all of them, but some of them are up in the thousands. Timber cutting video had 4,000 views. Some shorts do remarkably well. A little short I made jumping off a steam engine out here at the Roosevelt Railroad. That's got 780 views. That old steam engine, let's just watch it here. Y'all can watch it right here on the Pwalpar channel. That's a good idea. We'll finish this vlog by watching this video. I'll go full screen. I got my earphones on so I can't hear it, but I'm assuming y'all can hear it. I just jumped up and said, ta-da! But it's a neat old steam engine. I had fun looking around out there. I used to help them out with the Roosevelt Railroad. I don't think there's much going on out there these days. Gotta hit escape to get out of full screen. Anyway, that's going to conclude my little vlog for today. I do to wish all my viewers a Merry Christmas. I've sent out a Christmas video for all my viewers, and I think I just might put a link to that at the end of my videos for the rest of the year instead of adding a playlist or something at the end of the video. I think I'll just stick the Merry Christmas video at the end of all my videos for the rest of the year. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all your loyal support, and Pwalpar appreciates you one and all. Y'all take care.